Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change your email address on Fortnite. Now before we continue, some of you might be wondering, I'm saying Fortnite but you're saying up here you're saying Epic Games. It's because Epic Games is actually the parent company. So for that, Fortnite is like a sub company, a subsidiary underneath the Epic Game company. So what that means is this: even though you're creating a Fortnite account, email and everything is still under the Epic Games. So an Epic Game account is still the same in a way as a Fortnite account. Epic Games, remember, parent company. Fortnite is just a particular a branch, let's put that way, underneath it. That is why you can see over here Epic Games is of Fortnite when they are talking about creating a Fortnite account or changing the email of your Fortnite account. So the first thing you do to get here is click on the first thing you do to get here is from your preferred browser, click on the search bar and type in www.epicgames.com/account/personal, and to bring it to this place, or just simply click on www.epicgames.com. You'll be brought here. Now from here you click on account settings, because what we want to do is we want to change our email. So here you can see your name, your language and everything. So you can see the email over here, email address. So over here you click on this particular option, like to add your new email address. After you confirm this change, please note that you won't be able to change your email address again for the next 90 days. So if you want to change it, you click on new email address. Let's say this is our new email address. Click on it, click on continue. And then a code will be sent to the former email address which you are to input here. Then you click on continue, and that's it. But I didn't actually want to change the email address, so I'm leaving it. But if you're going to change your email address, after doing that, don't forget that once your email address has been changed, you cannot change it again for the next 90 days. That's about 3 months. So I hope you found this video helpful on how to change your email address on Fortnite. Please, if you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this one which we put up every day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.